Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you what comes in the Our Dream Cruise page kit. Okay, so here is a close-up of the pages. I just used an 8x10 I got from the cruise itself. And you can use that, or you can crop down the large red cardstock to smaller pieces if you want to do smaller pictures. Here's just some close-up. Okay, so what's inside? So you will get a sheet of instructions with the photo, and on the back are a few of all of the images, so you can have a better view when piecing them together. You'll receive the backing piece. You will need to trim off the barcode. There's instructions. Well, there's not instructions for that. Just trim it down so it's 12 by 12. And then there are instructions for how to trim down the background papers, what measurements you need. And then your photo mats are pre-cut already to the sizes that I used in my sample. And then you'll receive the pieces. So they will come like this. And these images are from Miss Kate Cuttables, so a big shout out to her. If you have a moment, go check her out. She has some beautiful designs. And then you'll receive the little baggies as well with the smaller pieces. And that's it. So that's what comes in your page kit. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to pick this up, please check the description below. Okay, I did that backwards. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to my Etsy shop where you can pick up this kit. And thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications if you would like to see more videos from me. Have a great day.